So hey folks, hope you're all well. I'm just out shooting another one of my parts, episodes, whatever, to my local favourite roads series that I've been doing. And the bit I'm about to show you, the road I'm about to show you is the section between pretty much Abington and Mennock. So enjoy. One of the real amazing things about this road is there's an off-road section. So if you cut off the tarmac right about here, it'll take you on to this here, where you want to hang a right and go up here. You'll eventually come to here, just keep going and going till you get to here. Once you're down here, wow, oh, definitely getting a photo here. This is just epic. Let's just shut that just now. I really hope the GoPro picks this up, although I'll get my camera out in fact. But right down there you can see a stone circle. was an epic little bit of road. Epic. So this is about 50 minutes from my house. Half an hour is spent on the M74 motorway right enough, but it's worth the wind blast to get to these beautiful Scottish lowlands. Part of the world down here in Dumfries in Galloway, the Scottish Lowlands. I'm also on a stunning day like today. Great place to go on a ride out, just to get some wind therapy, although wind blast therapy on the motorway is heavy duty. So take care folks, thanks for watching, peace out, cheers.